I am Chiranjeevi V, student of 7th semester Electrical and Electronics Engineering from CMR Institute of Technology, Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. My co-authors of the paper are Gautam H.K., Gayatri S., Harish S., and Professor Kasif Ahmad, Department of Electrical and Electronics, CMRIT, India. The title of our paper is Arduino Controlled Hospital Sanitization Robot Vehicle. The presentation flow as abstract, introduction, methodology, results, and conclusion. Abstract. The outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic has made it necessary for all to follow social distancing, wearing masks, and sanitizing regularly. As of now, the human workforce is required to sanitize the hospitals daily and more. Hence, it is important to reduce human involvement and bring in robotic system for such requirements. We all know that medical workers are more exposed to this virus and are at greater risk of contracting it. These robots can be used instead for sanitizing the rooms of the affected patients or of isolation wards. Introduction. In the midst of this global pandemic, stepping in where humans should not, robots are being used for jobs such as sanitizing hospitals and delivering foods and medicines, and have proved to be very much useful and handy. Each and every day, our health workers, researchers, and governments struggles to control the spread of this virus that has infected millions of people globally. Sanitization, which has become a very important aspect and plays a very crucial role in preventing us from exposure to this deadly virus. Sanitization in these areas, such as high risk zones, medical wards, and hospitals, are indeed challenging and requires very high measures to be taken. Methodology. The methodology of our hospital sanitization robotic vehicle is understood by observing the block diagram. The main components of the robot are Arduino Uno. It is an open source programmable microcontroller board which is used to program the robot. L298 motor driver is a H-bridge circuit which is used to control and power the DC motor with the help of 12 volt supply. HC05 Bluetooth module is a UART serial port communication device which is used to communicate between robot and paired Android phone that is controlled by humans. Bluetooth module HC05 of robotic vehicle communicates to the phone Bluetooth with the help of Android application. Whenever the corresponding commands are passed as input via Bluetooth to the robot through serial communication, the Arduino Uno on the robot checks the command received from the user and then microcontroller will give inputs or instructions to the motor driver. Hence the motor driver controls the DC motor based on the input receives, which causes it to move in forward, reverse, left and in any directions. The sanitization section can be set up manually or by Bluetooth automatically. Thus, by this, the robotic vehicle is made to move around the room or a preferred environment to spray the liquid disinfectant and hence to sanitize and clean the hospital rooms without human contact. The main function of the robot is when the robot is powered, all the electronic components also get powered up simultaneously. Now the robot Bluetooth begins to search new devices to get connected from which it is communicated, like Android phone. After getting paired and connected, the commands are passed that enables motor accordingly. When no command is passed, robot is said to be in no motion condition. Remote control mode. When the robot power is switched on, all the electronic components are also powered up. Now HC05 starts serial communication and pairing with nearby Android phone. When the connection is built successfully, the commands are passed via application. If not, the Bluetooth needs to be restarted. Initially, all the motors are disabled. When the command L is passed from user via serial communication, Arduino checks it. If true, then robot will move in left direction. If false, then no action will be performed. The same way, all the commands will work. The results are control section of hospital sanitization robot communicates to the Bluetooth of an Android device such as smartphone via a Bluetooth module HC05. With the help of an Android application, the corresponding commands are passed as input via Bluetooth to the robot. The Arduino on the robot checks the command received from the user and then it will instruct the motor driver to move the motors in forward, reverse, left and in any directions. During the test, the records are found that the Arduino-controlled hospital sanitization robotic vehicle was tested in a single room of an area 800 square feet, that is 10 feet into 8 feet, using half a liter of sanitizing liquid. It was observed that the robot could sanitize the entire area in a very short period of time. It's about less than 2 minutes, and it could spray the liquid to a distance of about 1 meter long. Prototype of HSRV application. Sanitizer spraying by HSRV. Conclusion. Coronavirus disease COVID-19 transmission can help through respiratory beds and different entities and surfaces like toys, door handles, consoles, and so on. Vaccine from the infections has been rolled out and over 4.6 billions of doses have been administered up to 24th August 2021, as per the data released by the World Health Organization. Even though the vaccines have shown robust antibody responses, there are cases of fully vaccinated individuals contracting it. Since it is a destructive infection, to diminish the spread of disease, it is smarter to deploy robots instead of using humans. In this paper, a prototype of Arduino-controlled HSRV is presented. The prototype was tested successfully by remotely controlling it to sanitize the room without the need of the operator touching any of the objects located within the vicinity. Thank you.